Yes, students, today our next chapter is data handling. Our 15th chapter, chapter number 15, so data handling. So, data handling, about data handling, in previous classes we discussed about the data handling. So, what we discussed in previous classes? So, we discussed the data handling, so using a pictograph, so using bar graph, using pie chart. So, then how to represent data. So, data, so what, so the collection of information, is a data. What information? Either it is a school information, or it is a society information, or it is a stationary business information, whatever. So, these informations if you represent using, using pictograph, pie chart and bar graph. So, we discuss how to represent the data, the collection of information. So, then how to represent using this we discussed in earlier classes. Again in this class also we recapitulate how to represent data. Then in short how to represent using bar graph, pie chart, bar graph, pictograph. So, using all this, then how to represent our information, our data. So, that we are going to discuss in this class, and also we are going to discuss about the tally marks. So, what is the tally marks? Then how to prepare a tally marks. So, using a given, means using collection of information. So, okay. So, here, what concepts we are going to discuss in this chapter? See here, the concepts we are going to discuss in this chapter. The first one is pictorial representation. Pictorial representation. Already we discussed in earlier classes how to represent pictorial representation. Pictorial. So, what is actually pictorial representation? Pictorial representation means using picture or drawing pictures. So, to draw, first we should draw a picture and represent the information. So, using the pictures, drawing pictures. So, we can represent a data. So, that comes under pictorial representation. The next one, bar graph. So, the information using bar graph we can represent. So, using a bar graph we can represent data. So, what is bar graph? What is actually there in the bar graph? Using rectangles. So, bar graph consisting rectangles. Using rectangles we can represent data. That comes under bar graph. So, that we are going to discuss in this class. Then after that, tally marks. Then, with the collection of information, then how to prepare a tally marks, how to prepare frequency. So, that means how to prepare tally marks, that we are going to discuss in this class. Total how many concepts? 3 concepts we are going to discuss. The first concept is pictorial representation, the second concept is bar graph, and the third concept is tally marks. So, these 3 concepts we are going to discuss in our 15th chapter, that is data handling. See here. So, before going to start our chapter, first, we should recapitulate what we discussed in earlier classes. Okay. Here, what is given in example? In a circle below. In a circle, below a circle is given. So, in that circle what details are given? Some details are given. So, what is about these details? The details are about books in a school library. In a school library some books are there. So, that information is there in this circle. So, using the circle, if you represent a data, that is called pie chart. In a pie chart, the information we are representing through sectors. Sector means, if you divide a circle into parts, that comes under, that a part is called a sector. This is one sector, this is sector, this is sector, this is sector. Using sectors we can represent information in a circle. So, that is a pie graph. Here. Yes. Now, students, see here. So, the information about the information. So, what information is given in the pie chart? So, in the pie chart the information is given. So, the number of books in a library in a particular school is given. So English books, see here in English, so English 200 books they have, and mathematics 300 books they have. How many books they have? 300 books they have. French 100 and science 200. See here, the students, if in your book, so number of mathematics books, if 200 is given, so then make it 300. Okay, make it 300. So that is English books 200 books, maths books 300 books, and French 100 books are there in the library. So then science 200 books are there in the library. The first question, how many books are there in the library? All. In all, how many books are there? In all, how many books are there means total how many books are there, that we should add and tell how many books are there. The first English books 200 books, so that numerical, so number we should take 200 books plus then mathematics 300 books plus French 100 books plus science 200 books. Then total how many books? Total books. Total books means we should add all these 4 subjects books in the library. 200 plus 300, 200 plus 300, 500, 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 200, 800. Total how many books are there? 800 books, 800 books. 800 books are there in the library. Next solution, next answer. The question what he is asking, name the books on which least number of books are there in the library. So in that, what is the least number of, which subjects books are least in number he is asking. Least in number means 200, 200, 300 and 100. In that 100 is a least number. 100 is a least number. It means French books are least in number. Okay. So that means French books. French books are least in number. The next one. Find the number of books on mathematics subjects in a library. So in mathematics means on mathematics how many books are there in the library? Mathematics 300 books are there in the library. How many books are there? 300. See in a pie chart the sector, mathematics sector. In the mathematics sector it shows 300 books given. So it means how many maths books are there? 300 maths books. 300 maths books are there in the library. So this is the information so given. So according to the information, the answers first we should understand the question first, what he is asking. And then that information so we should take from the pie chart and so write that answer. Okay. So now in that the next fourth question. So what is the fourth question? Work out the difference between the number of French books and number of English books. So here we should work out, so the difference, we should find the difference between the French books as well as English books. See here, how many French books are there, then how many English books are there. So first we should see that one. So how many French books are there? 100. And how many English books are there? 200. So the difference he is asking means 200 minus 100. 200 minus 100. So difference means make minus. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 1, 1. So the difference between French and English books is equal to 100. It means 100 less French books were there in the library if we compare with English books. Okay. Now, so the next concept, the questions based on pictorial representation. So using pictures, then how to represent data. So here in the question, the following pictograph shows number of various trees. So in an orchard is given. So there are different types of trees: papaya trees, palm tree, palm trees, mango trees, neem trees, banana trees, guava trees. So 6 various types of trees are there in the orchard. So then study the pictograph. First you study this pictograph, then answer the following questions. Whatever the questions are given, that we should answer it. See here, according to the pictograph, here in papaya how many trees are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trees were there in papaya. So then palm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trees are there. So in mango, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trees. Then neem, 1, 2, 3. So in banana, so then how many tree pictures are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tree pictures. So then in pictograph, how many tree pictures are there in guava? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, what is the scale given here? It means if you draw one tree, so that represents 6 trees. So 1 tree is equal to 6 trees. If 2 trees are there, 12. 3 trees, 18. 4 trees, 24. 5 trees, 60. 6 trees, 66. It means papaya total, if 6 pictures are there, it means that 6 we should multiply with this 6. The unit means 1 unit picture, how much it represents, how many trees it represents. So first we count how many tree pictures are given. So that we should multiply unit tree. Unit tree represents 6 trees. Then you will get total how many papaya trees. In the same manner, in all the cases, we should find how many different types of trees were there in the orchard. Now, in first question, see here, how many papaya trees are there in the orchard? So how many papaya trees? How many papaya trees means first we should count. So how many tree pictures given in papaya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That 6 we should multiply with this 6. 6 into 6. 6 into 6, 36 papaya trees. 36 papaya trees were there. The next, in the second question, so which type of trees are least and the most? Find the number of each. Least, first least means least pictures. In the picture, least is neem. The highest is mango. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trees are there in mango. So mangoes are most and least neem. So mangoes are least, neem trees are least. So that implies number of neem trees. Number also we should find, number of neem trees. How many neem trees are there here? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 into 6. That is 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. 18 neem trees were there. How many? 18 neem trees. Then, so neem trees are least in number. Then mangoes. Mango trees are most. So then how many mango trees were there? So then number of mango trees. So total how many mango trees given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 we should multiply with 6. 7 6 are 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42 mango trees. How many mango trees? 42 mango trees. So here mango trees 42, neem trees 18. 3 6 are 18, 7 6 are 42 mango trees. In the next question, find the difference between the number of palm trees and neem trees. Palm trees and neem trees. First, so the difference he is asking. How many palm trees are there? So here palm trees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neem trees 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 3. First you should find 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Difference is 3. This difference we should multiply with the unit, that is 6. 3 6 are 18. So this is the difference. So first we should take, so we should see how many palm trees were there. 1 2 3 4 5, 5 palm trees. And how many neem trees, neem trees here 3 we have, 1 2 3. So neem trees we should take 3 here, 5 minus 3 here, 5 minus 3 is 2. These 2 we should multiply with unit. 1 tree represents 6 trees, that means 2 6 are 12. The difference is 12. So it means, so 12, so palm trees are more than the neem trees. So how many trees are more? So if we compare palm trees with the neem, so then 12 palm trees are more than the neem trees. Okay. So in this way, according to the pictograph, so about the data, first we should read the data and understand the data and answer the following. So what are the question he will give, that questions we should do. Okay. Now the next fourth question. So find the total number of trees in the orchard. So in the orchard, total number of trees we should find. Then how to calculate total, how many trees are there? First you should find total number of trees in the pictograph. In the pictograph, total how many trees were there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31, total 31. So total 31 trees are there in a picture. So that we should multiply with 6. Why? Because 1 tree is equal to 6 trees. Now if you multiply with 6, then how to multiply? So take 6 here, 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. Total trees in the orchard, 186. Okay.